Hi kids, once again welcome back to our channel Moscow CBSE. Today we are going to see a very simple video on basics of human ear. The topics covered in this video are why we are having two ears, function of ear, structure of ear, and simple explanation on parts and function of each part of the ear. So if you are watching our channel for the first time, please do subscribe our channel and click the bell icon so that you will not miss any of our new videos. So now let us see why we are having two ears. Our ears transmit the sound waves to the brain. With the two ears, we are able to hear the sounds clearly from both the directions. Second one is sound localization. Our two ears help us to determine where the sound is coming from. Third one is directional hearing. Our ears help us to pinpoint the origin of the sound in the environment. And fourth is to tolerate the loud sounds. Our two ears, it offers a bit of cushion to tolerate the loud sounds. Now let us see the function of ear. Ear is a sense organ that serves two major functions. The first function is hearing and that of postural equilibrium. The second one it is coordination of eye and ear movements. Now let us see about the structure of human ear. Anatomically, our ear is divided into three major parts: outer ear, middle ear and inner ear. First is outer ear. Outer ear, it consists of two parts, the auricle or pinna, and the next one is short external auditory canal. The auricle or pinna, it is the visible portion that projects on the sides of the head. The next one is short external auditory canal. It is the inner end of which it is enclosed by the tympanic membrane, commonly called as eardrum. So the function of the outer ear, it is to collect the sound waves and guide them to the tympanic membrane or eardrum. The next is the middle ear. Middle ear, it lies within the temporal bone and extends from the tympanic membrane to the lateral wall of the inner ear. The middle ear, it consists of three tiny bones called as malleus, incus and stapes. All these together are called as auditory ossicles. Malleus, it is also called as hammer, incus also called as anvil, and stapes, it is also called as stirrup. Now let us see the function of the malleus. Malleus, it receives the vibrations from the tympanic membrane and transmit to incus. The incus, it receives the vibration from malleus and transmit to stapes. And the stapes, it is the smallest bone and they send the sound waves to the inner ear, a fluid-filled organ called cochlea. The next is the inner ear. The inner ear, it consists of two parts, the vestibular apparatus and cochlea. The vestibular apparatus, it is composed of the semicircular ducts and vestibular nerve. These are the sensory organ for postural equilibrium. The next one is cochlea. Cochlea, it consists of tiny hair cells. They translate the vibrations into electrical impulses that are carried to the brain by sensory nerves. So kids, now we came to the end of the session. Now you will be clear on the concepts of human ear and the structure and the functions of the human ear. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe Moscow CBSE for more such interesting videos. Thanks for watching.